The Mars 2020
Perseverance.
rover mission is part of NASA's Mars exploration program, a long-term effort of robotic exploration of the red planet. The question arises why they select Mars. There are several strategic, practical, and scientific reasons for humans to explore Mars. Among them, we know that Mars is the most accessible place in the solar system. Additionally, exploring Mars provides the opportunity to possibly answer origin and evaluation of life questions, and could someday be a destination for survival of humankind. Mars exploration of NASA follows the water. Earlier missions had found that liquid water existed on Mars in the distant past. The Curiosity rover explored the Mars and it found nutrients and energy sources that microbes could have used and established that Mars indeed had regions that could have been friendly to life in the ancient past. Again question arises, did life take hold on the red planet? Perseverance will find the answer of this question and takes the next step by looking for the sign of past life itself.
Perseverance.
The rover is now on its way to Mars. It launched on 30th July 2020 from Cape Canaveral Air Force Station, Florida, and would land on 18th February 2021 at Jezero crater, that is the place on Mars. The launch vehicle was provided by United Launch Alliance. The Boeing Delta II launch vehicle is selected for the Mars exploration rover mission because it has the right liftoff capability for the weight requirements and also it is extremely reliable. A launch vehicle provides the velocity needed by a spacecraft to escape gravity of Earth and set it on its course for Mars. Spacecraft which is used in 2020 Perseverance rover mission contain three parts: cruise stage, that is the configuration for travel between Earth and Mars. The second one part is entry, descent and landing system. That is configuration for entry into the Martian atmosphere. Includes the heat shield, parachute, airbags and lander structure. The spacecraft lander is a protective shell that houses the rover and protects it, along with the airbags from the forces of impact. The lander is a strong lightweight structure consists of base and three sides petals in the shape of tetrahedron. The lander structure consists of beams and sheets that are made from a composite material such as carbon-based layer of graphite fiber woven into fabric, creating a material that is lighter than aluminum and more rigid than steel. The rover is held inside the lander with bolts and special nuts that are released after landing with small explosive. The third and the main part of this mission is a vehicle with science instrument for discoveries on the Martian surface is Rover. The name used in this mission is Curiosity Rover. This is the main part of mission 2020. Rover is loaded with science instrument, but in next video we will talk about its instruments and the parts. Also we are going to discuss the function of rover on Martian surface in next video. The spacecraft designed for the Mars exploration is largely based on the successful Mars Pathfinder system for entry, descent and landing. The rover design is based on the Athena rover on the previously cancelled Mars 2001 lander mission. The objective of Mission 2020 Perseverance rover mission are study the rocks and landscape at its landing site to reveal the region's history, determine whether an area of interest was suitable for life, and look for signs of ancient life itself, find and collect samples of Mars rock and soil that could be brought back to Earth in the future. Test technologies that would help sustain human presence on Mars someday. Don't miss the next video in which we are going to discuss about the rover, how is it work, about the function of rover and instruments and its creation.